Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yuli, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, so right now I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. Actually, this is not an original idea. I saw this video on some famous YouTubers, and I was thinking, why not do the same and show you guys what's on my iPhone. And I've been an iPhone user since 2015, I guess, and I still have the iPhone 5 at that time, and then I switched to iPhone 6, and then right now I have my iPhone 11, and I bought this case online on Lazada. I'm gonna put down the link below, and here it is. It has the latest iOS software, the iOS 15, in front view of my phone, picture of my husband and my baby, and it's already 10 in the evening. And let's get down to it. First, I'm going to show you the first page of my phone. It's the widget. I have the calendar here, the screen time, the weather, the reminders, and my email notes. And that's pretty much what's on the first page of my phone. And on the second page, you see there's some of the already loaded iPhone apps. I don't really use some of these. What I frequently use is the music, the camera, the iMovie, the calculator, and it's the only thing that I frequently use. Left uppermost folder of my phone, and social networking apps, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Skype, and I'm gonna share you guys the link of my Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook, and I'm also gonna include the LinkedIn and the Twitter, and show you guys what's on my Instagram. It's pretty much what's on my Instagram, and let's proceed to the second folder. Second folder I have here my online shopping apps. This is where I do my online shopping, and when I discovered the shop pack, I don't usually use the Lazada, the Laura apps here. I use the shop pack. If you're familiar with shop pack, it's a smarter way to do online shopping. I've already accumulated 1,777 pesos. This is I think if you have a rebate or reward if you purchase online using this app, and you use this app when shopping on Lazada, Shopee, Foodpanda, Walmart, and also do your travel bookings here, book a hotel or. And since I've discovered this shop pack, I don't really use these other apps anymore. The third folder, this is where my Google Chrome apps. Is that the Gmail, the Google Drive, the Sheets, and the Ring Circle. When the calls are redirected to me, all the calls will be registered here on Ring Central. That's what I use at work. And then here, the fourth folder, the photo and the video folder. What I have here is the PS Express, the Photoshop Express, Lightroom, the BSCO, Slice, Snapseed, Darkroom, the Imaging Edge, the Imaging Edge Mobile. I use this whenever I want to transfer the pictures on my Sony Alpha A6000 camera. I also have the Pixel Loop and Pinterest. And on my fifth folder, I have here my photo and video folder again. I have here the Kylie Master videos. If you guys want to know how I edit my videos, comment down below. I will gladly show it to you guys. And also I have here my YouTube app, Netflix, TikTok. I have a TikTok, but I don't do TikTok. I also have here the video recorder, which is what we use recording what's on the screen. And I have here Please Tune. And my sixth folder here, I have my online banking apps. I have here my PAYONEER, UNIONBANK, API, and this is my favorite folder of all these folders, my entertainment apps. What I have here is my manga reader apps, the Webtoon, the manga reader, Manga Toon, Webcomics, Taki Toon, Manga Bird, Wattpad, Manga Zone. I don't usually use this Wattpad anymore. This frequently used here is the Webtoon. One of my favorite things to do is reading books, reading comics, reading mangas. This is the apps that I use. So let me show you guys what's on my Webtoon. I have here, this is, let me show you guys my subscription, mine. This is the Webtoon that I subscribe. So I have a lot, but my favorite here is the Lord Olympus, TUBEBUDDY, Spirit Fingers. I also love this, and the Morse Studio. I also love this, the Witch and the Bull. The art panel here is really nice, really bright and refreshing. Let's see what I have here. I also have Witch Hunt, Sophie Studio, the stories of those around me. Those are movies. Those are the Webtoon, the completed Webtoon here. This is my completed Webtoon here. And again, guys, if you want me to read one of these Webtoons, comment down below. And that is my entertainment apps. And the next folder is just a mixture of other apps. I have here my ebook reader, Kindle, mobile reader, Memory, Typewriter, Home. I haven't downloaded yet my ebooks here on my phone, and I don't really read books on my phone. What I really like is, have the book, the actual book, where I could, turn the pages, smell the pages. I like studying books, so I like holding books, reading books in an actual, physical form, not on digital form. Let's move to the next folder. The next, it's just book and transportation, or if I wanted food delivered to our house. This is the app I use to grab up Angkas, Ninja Van, Honesty, Mart, Food Panda, Luxury, eHome. This is not an app for food or transportation. This is just an app we use because we have the nanny cam here, and this is the app that we use to control and record to control and change settings of our nanny cam here. This is the new application. The next two folders are my game apps, and folder, this is the games that I frequently play. It's Kawaii Home, Plants vs Zombies, Supermarket, Design Home, Jumanji, 2048, Escape, Puzzles, Rebel. But the app that I always play here is the Design Home. Let me show you guys how it challenge here. Let me choose the daily challenge, and we have to design the living room here. You have to choose a furniture that fits in the living room, and if you're done, you just have to submit the design. And it's a really great app if you're into design or interior designing, or if you're just really like designing home. This is a great app for you. So on my next quarter, also my game apps and farm bills like 3D, Sunny Spa, Sunny Studio, Dust Settle, and Speech Blocks is for it's a gameplay. I mean it's a kids play. And Adorable Home, Rain Out, and Nice. And yeah, that's my games. If you guys want to recommend a game, just comment down below. Gladly try and play with those games. And next, the last folder is, I don't want to touch the last folder. It's the apps that my husband and his team is currently working. So chat is his. Just want to use my phone to test and see if it works. So that's pretty much what's on my phone. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below if you have any suggestions.